Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Zolana. And today I'm going to show you how I made my Knafeh. It's a very popular dessert in Middle East that's made out of a fillo dough and some cheese, nuts. I'm going to show you how I made that. Let's start. So I started from the syrup. I took half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon, and 2 tablespoons of rose water that I made at home. You can buy it in the stores, so it doesn't matter. Make sure all the honey is melted. Two tablespoons of water. If you don't have the rose water, you can add 4 tablespoons of water instead of 2 tablespoons of rose water and 2 tablespoons of regular water. You can also add 1 cinnamon stick into the mixture. Boil it for about a minute or 2, take off the heat and put it in a different container so it can cool off by the time you're done with the dough. I use about 100 grams of butter. You need a melted butter. And of course you needed the kataifi shredded fillo dough. You can buy this in a frozen section. I use like about half of it, a little more. Before you add the butter, fluff them a little bit. You don't have to break it, and just put the butter on top of it and mix it. Make sure it mixed well. On a pan, I added a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter. I placed the dough in the pan. Then the next layer is mozzarella sticks that I pre-sliced. I just put it on half of it, and on another half or 3/4 I put a ricotta cheese. Then on the other side I put some nuts. Put nuts, whatever you have. I put peanuts that I had, and I put cashews. The peanuts were with the honey and the cashews were salted, so the combinations were amazing. And then cover it with another layer of this fillo dough. I intentionally made this pie with 1/4 of just nuts, another 1/4 is just nuts with ricotta cheese, and another half of it is ricotta cheese with mozzarella cheese. In case if you want to make it dairy free, so you can use margarine instead of the butter, and instead of the ricotta cheese you can use just different kinds of nuts. Ideally if you use roasted nuts. On a low fire, just fry the dessert from both sides. It took me about from 5 maybe to 10 minutes on each side on the lower heat, on the lower fire, and then you just decorate it with pistachio nuts. If you like this videos, please press the like button. If you love them, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to refer your families and friends and share my videos. Once the syrup cooled off, you can drizzle the syrup on a hot dessert. Ideally, obviously, is to drizzle it before you decorate it. And that's it, guys. The dessert is ready. It was so tasty. I would highly recommend for you to do it maybe on Rosh Hashanah table, so your family will enjoy this beautiful and tasty dessert. Happy Rosh Hashanah to those who are celebrating. All the best. May we have a blessed year of happiness, of health, of understanding, of respecting each other. Lots of love and joy in everybody's life. See you on my next video. As always, I enjoyed so much making this video. I hope you're gonna try this. I already know one person that tried and loved it. This piece I cut with a nuts piece. Look at this, looks so beautiful. It was so tasty. I highly recommend for you guys to try it. This is the cheesy part, also came out really good. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next videos. This dessert was literally melting in my mouth.